All right, it says I'm live again. Hey, see if I can pull this up. I'm in my sim now. I've made some money. Not much, but I got back from a loss. See if I can pull it. Where do I pull? Go to live dashboard, right? I think that works. It's a lot easier to trade in sim, obviously. I hit the first target on this down. Defining a triple bottom. I had the guts to take it. This was area, and then a breakthrough of the triple. Lucky to be up for the day. 192. I'm flat. What did I end up doing? About $100 up. Just got my ass handed to me back and forth, but I was able to string a couple winners together. But I defined a trading range. This is difficult, but look at this. Look at this 830 bullshit. After the red report release, I don't care what the red report is, but you can go to Forex Factory and look it up. It's CPI or something like that. I don't really give a shit what it is. But look at this right here. Here's your trading range, and then I went back and I was defining an area. So here's right here overnight. See and this is what I had defined yesterday, and then I caught this little breakout in the afternoon. I didn't get up. I don't normally get up early on Mondays. That's my day that I sleep in a little bit. But Tuesdays through Fridays, I usually get up early to trade when I am trading. Mondays, I let the market usually do its thing in the morning, which, God, what a nice move. Maybe I shouldn't do what I just said. Maybe I should just trade the Monday mornings. Beautiful setups in Monday. And this is the trade I did catch was this right here. Pennant. See the pennant right there? Can't find my freaking arrow line. And the breakout of the pennant. So this is your congestion area. Define the congestion, which I did, and I took that breakout right there. I was able to get a 1p and a 3p target. Today was just shit show. Probably should have laid off of the trading altogether. This 830 stuff coming in when I was looking at the market, so I defined it. So what I'm saying about this area right here is that there's a lot of resistance in the market, so it's going to take a lot of power to get through it. Now, it preliminarily got through it at the 930 mark. And then I thought, well, maybe we will break back to the out. And then we had this form. This confirmed the down, so I caught that move right there. And then I was caught in here, and then I switched out of sim. No, excuse me, I was in this is where I'm trying to define. I should have caught, you can see all these trades in here. I just got my ass kicked. But I was able to break out of it because I defined a congestion area when I put this bar in. So then I caught this move off this double bottom. And this move right here is what got me back out, and then I caught this move, and I took a 1p profit target on that one, and that got me to 100. So I was down on the trading day until this trade right here. That was able to grab 1, 3, and a 6. And then this trade here caught a 1p and then out at break even. Let's look at this sim trade I got going on right now. Yeah, if I had the balls to take this one on. You have a defined triple bottom here, right? 1 attempt, 2 attempt. I counted this one here at 3.
Target filled.
Yeah, Sims up. I played around the sim to start the morning, and then I went. So it says I'm net profit on 192, 185 for the day. Commissions I had, jeez, way too many trades today. Up $100, so $85 in commissions. So just not the way to trade. But I did chill out and calm. Finding and defining congestions and trading ranges, it's hard. So I was short pretty much from this point after this formed here. So I was able to, I think I was long into that, and I missed it. Let's see here. This is sim. Hold on. Wait, let's go back. Yeah, I caught this short move right there. I was in long here, and then I got caught in here. There's where I lost my money. And then I chilled out for a little bit, and then I caught this move. And then, yeah, I guess that's it. And then I caught this move right here. So this up move and this up move is what I caught, and I thought, all right, I'm done. I got my money back. And then I did see this, and so I wanted to trade it in sim to see what it would do, because it was coming into a triple bottom. I thought, well, if we break through, we're going to come down hard, which we did. See how this ends up. We got our break-even stop. Well, excuse me, we got our last contract right now. It's trading 5 today. Spreadsheet. $200 loss is 40 risk per contract. $40 risk per contract. $200 loss puts me at 5 contracts today. And if you notice where we are, 23,036. Let's look at the range today. Range is really short, and it's not been a very conducive market in the doldrums of summer. 23,222 high, 22,996 low. So we've been roughly down 1p from the open, and 23,222 we've been up 4, almost 5p from the open here. So it's been a stronger long than a short looking at the overall market today. This is difficult reversal here to take a long on. I prefer, even if it would take me out, I would prefer it set up something before I'd get involved in this long after seeing this move down. So if we look at the 5-minute, this could be a very dangerous area to go long from. This is defining the range. You can see the range is in here. So trades inside this is what was killing me. So I defined it and I stopped trading in there. And I was able to catch that move and catch that down move right there. way too many trades though. Anyways, that's where my work has been recently, defining trading ranges and congestion areas and trying to find them quickly and then stay out of them as best I can. Looking for technical signals, obviously, is what I'm looking at. This is 60 range trading bars.
Stop filled.
So it did take us out there. That makes it easy to quit the stream here then. Just wanted to define it and let you know what I'm seeing. Could almost put this down to here now, as this one didn't really do anything much. But you can see one time down, there's your double bottom that I was able to catch a trade off of. And then taking this move, here's your two red bars right by the way, into R1, triple bottom move, and then some momentum behind it. All right, that's going to do it. I just thought I would share quickly. So the triple bottom short, that was a good trade. This double bottom long was a good trade. And then I think there was one other that I caught today. I believe I caught this move right there from here down on a continuation of a short. And then I got caught in this little range right in here, if I remember correctly. And it just about cost me. But then I chilled out, caught this move, and then I believe I caught this for break even. So I had a long bias after this double bottom. So know your biases, right? So I opened up with a winner, by the way, and then I got some losers in here trying to go long, and I was reversing back and forth, and I just stupid stuff. So I hit exit all, and then I thought, okay, I'm just going to wait. This double bottom formed, these two bars formed, and you can see I went in long from here. I was able to get most of that as a win, and I was able to get this one here and get that out at break even off of this trade right there. See that here's the entry point, there's the exit on the first, and the rest came out at break even. So that was my long setups, and then I went sim on this triple bottom right here, which I considered a triple bottom. Probably should have taken it, but I struggled to get up on the day from being down, and I just went from sim. I went from my 192 EA account to sim to just you know, was not trading well today. And I think it all started off of this right here. This is really strange. This 830 move, and look how many bars printed in a very short period of time. 830 to right here, when it broke out right here at 830.01. So all these printed at the same time, and 2 seconds later is where you saw this. So 830 all these, then 831, and right up here is 930. So 830, and then an hour later here's 930. So look, there's just not a lot of movement, and a lot of range bars formed in a very short period of time within a couple seconds. And I hadn't seen this before on range bars, so this kind of threw me for a little bit. But I did define it. I said, all right, so I want to be careful inside here. So then I did take this one below that resistance area. And then I got caught in here trying to catch a couple longs off of this move here, which I should have weighed off of this. I was trying to short, I believe, in this area, right here. And I just got caught. I was being stupid inside. So this, from 947 to roughly 10:04, and you know it doesn't take long to lose money. So that was at less than 20 minutes. I was just getting my ass handed to me, and then I finally caught something. I was break even loser, break even winner, break even loser, and then I finally caught control of myself, stopped, and then I was able to catch these moves coming up out of here on this off this double bottom. And you see we're right back into it again. All right, that's going to do it. I thought that I'll just share quickly something that I saw today, and it was a very difficult trading day. I'm lucky to be green on the day. All right, Dave Knight here from Dave Knight Trading, or wherever the hell I call myself now, but yeah, Dave Knight Trading sounds good enough as well. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.